Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 5. It is the chapter from syntax book, Perimeter and Area, chapter number 11. It is a geometry and these are the different shapes. It is your geometry work. What is a square? A square is a four-sided figure in which all sides are equal in measurement. It is the figure of a square. First side is of 5 centimeters, second side is of 5 centimeter, third side is of 5 centimeter and fourth side is also of 5 centimeter. All sides are equal in measurement. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape, or it is the length of the boundary or outline of a plane closed figure or a shape, or it is the sum of the length of the sides, so its unit is meter and centimeter. For example, it is a shape or a plane closed figure. If we walk from A to B, B to C and C to D, the distance covered from A to D is the perimeter, or it is the sum of the length of sides. What is area? Area is the surface measurement of a shape or a plane closed figure. Its unit is square meter or square centimeter, SQCM, SQM. For example, it is a shape and inside the surface of the shape, or it is the measurement of a shape, is the area. What is area of a square? It is a square with A, B, C, D. These all are sides. For example, AB is a side, BC is also a side, CD is a side, and AD is a side. What is the area of a square? It is equal to side multiply side. Area of rectangle. It is a rectangle with length and breadth. In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal. For example, length is equal to length, breadth is equal to breadth. What is the area of rectangle? It is equal to length into breadth. Example is, find the area of a square whose each side is 5 centimeter. It is a square having sides 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. All are equal in measurement. Now solution is, here side is equal to 5 centimeter. As we know that area of a square is side into side. Side is equal to 5. 5 into 5 is 25 square centimeter. Area is measured in square centimeter. Perimeter of square. Perimeter is equal to sum of the all sides. Square has 4 sides. S plus S plus S is equal to 4S, or we can say that 4 into side. It is a square having side S. All are sides denoted by S. So perimeter is 4S. It is a figure 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter. All the sides measurement are given, but you can notice that it is a square having one side is 6 centimeter and it is a rectangle inside the square having length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. You can see here it is a rectangle and it is a square. Now find out the perimeter and area of the given figure. What is the area of this given figure? If we minus area of rectangle from the area of square, so we get the area of the figure. Area of square is, here side is 6 centimeter, 6 into 6 is the area of square, and the rectangle length is 3 and breadth is 2. So the area of rectangle is 3 into 2, length into breadth, 3 into 2. So 36 minus 6 is 30. 30 is square centimeter. Area is measured in square centimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the length of the sides of the given figure. There are 8 sides and 8 measurement. By the sum we get 30 centimeter, which is the perimeter of the given figure. How to find out the side of a square when perimeter is given? Formula is side of a square is equal to perimeter of a square upon 4. If you divided the perimeter of a square by 4, you get the side of a square. For example, find the side of a square whose perimeter is 72 centimeter. Solution is perimeter is equal to 72 centimeter, and we know that the formula is side of a square is perimeter of a square divided by 4. Perimeter is 72. 72 upon 4 is 18 centimeter. It is the side of a square. If you added 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18, 18 4 times, we get 72 centimeter, which is the perimeter of given square. Now homework is exercise 11.1, page number 198 and 199. Question number 1 from A to C. Question number 3 only two part, and question number 4 A and B. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Do in your geometry copy.